All right, friends, our last practice for today using our line plots is you're going to be looking at guinea pig sizes. Look how cute they are. Okay, and again, just like the time spent outside and just like the carrot lengths, you are going to look at the sizes of our guinea pigs in inches, okay? And you're going to move the guinea pigs to their correct sizes. So the first one is 8.5, so I'm going to move a guinea pig to 8.5 inches. And then I'm going to delete or cross off that 8.5 inches when I'm done so I know I'm done. And then I will move along and plot my guinea pig sizes. When you are done with number one, because number one says move the guinea pigs to fill the line graph according to the numbers above. When you are done, you're going to move on to number two. What is the length of the mode or occurred the most? Again, if you need reminding, this page is a great page to go to. So number two is what length occurred the most or the mode. Click to add that here. What is the minimum or the smallest length of guinea pig? Not the number of guinea pigs that occurred the least, but the shortest guinea pig. What is the greatest or the maximum length of the guinea pig? Not the number of guinea pigs that occurred the most often, but the largest guinea pig in inches. And then number five, what is the range? And it tells you it's the maximum minus the minimum. But if you forgot, go to this slide and that will help you. All right, so this is your last one. Please make sure you are reading and listening and following all directions. And fill out the information about the guinea pigs.